Welcome to the new era of data protection. Introducing Veeam Backup Solutions for Edge Computing. Available first through OTAVA. And coming soon, September 2025. Fast, secure, resilient. Built for the edge. This is data protection reimagined. The edge is where data lives. Now, it's where data stays secure. Because every location, every workload, and every piece of data matters. Edge computing is growing, and so are the risks. So we're redefining data protection to keep you ahead.
Hi, I'm TJ Howski, CEO of OTAVA. Thanks for stopping by. I'm excited to talk to you about a solution that we have worked at length on with our partners, both Scale Computing and Veeam, Advanced Data Protection Software. Together, OTAVA, for the first time now, can provide a full solution, edge to cloud, that gives you the opportunity to choose the right workload at the right place at the right time, but get the same advanced data protection regardless of where you place it. So if you're looking to have more information, what you do next is scan the QR code on the screen and feel free to reach out to one of our solution architects or one of our sales account executives for more information on the solution.
Contact us today to learn more about how you can protect yourself with Veeam Backup Solutions for Edge Computing.